13.7 billion years ago. That was long, long, long before the dinosaurs were even here. There was a big explosion. Everything was very small. There was a huge explosion, and it got very, very hot. It was billions of degrees hot. 1 second later, the temperature dropped to 1 billion degrees. Protons, neutrons, and electrons became stable. But it took a long time for things to get the way they are now. 300,000 years later, it was 3,000 degrees above absolute zero. And atoms were born. Helium and hydrogen joined together, and there was a little lithium as well. Those helium and hydrogen atoms formed stars, and inside those stars, new elements were formed. Millions to billions of years ago, the stars and galaxies formed out of that initial Big Bang that created the protons, neutrons, and electrons. Now, it is 13.7 billion years later. Our temperature is about 3 degrees above absolute zero, so we're much cooler. But we're still expanding. So what we're going to see next is some things that show how space is continuing to expand exponentially.